All right, this is John and Larry's polka. I just covered the notes, but I should be okay. 1, 2, 1, and. Second half, you got to do B twice. Ready, and. Ready, and. Try and get back to that D quicker. Again. From D, ready, this is the third line, and D, D. 3, 1. Again. If it helps, you can do a double down so you get down on the D string. D, D, 3, 1. And I lift off, all right? When I hit the 1, I lift off. Ready, go. I would do a down bow on the D, right? A down bow on the D so that you don't have to do everything upside down, okay? Right on there, right on the C, which is the third finger. 3, da, da, ready, and. I didn't hear the D. Again, 1, 2. D, D, D. Repeat. We go there again with me. 3, 1, then D, D. The one below Johnny or Larry's polka is Patrick's reel. Really fun song. If you don't want to learn that version, you can do the super easy version, which is here. Try this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, and repeat. Oh, D, 1, 1. Everything's on the D string. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. D, 2. And D, and repeat. Go. 1, 2. Don't stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Ready to repeat and go. We always join together for the 1, 1 at the end. You always hear me play that. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes on and on and on and on. And then there is one more. 2 more. Yeah, one more. 2 more. I don't have St. Clair's printed, so I don't remember it right now, but it's the same sort of deal. It's a little slower, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, I think you can follow that just fine. And the cuckold. Ready? So 2 on the D, the high 2. High 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful not to get laggy into the 2. It always has to be ahead of the beat. Good.